Hey, what's up? This is Chris on the longest way, trying as always to walk back from China to my home in Germany. Today is August 16th, 2023. It's 7 years and 2 weeks, I think, to the day, I don't know, since I started walking on the Chinese and Kazakh border this time on July 30th, 2016. Yeah, it's been a ride. Anyway, we're in Bavarian countryside. This is actually Swabia already, and we're about to enter this forest here through there. Hopefully it's not going to be as hot in the forest. And then I saw this sign here. There's one over there, and then there's one here, and it says they don't want any ice tracks here. Ice is the German high-speed train. They don't want that here. It's a citizens initiative, and they want to keep, I guess, the forest, and they don't want the train tracks here, which, I mean, I get it. If you want to have to decide between a forest and train tracks, probably want to keep the forest. But I'm not sure if that's the decision. I'm not sure if those are the options, because as I can see it, that's the alternative. The highway there, just constantly screaming into the forest, because it's still more convenient for a lot of people and cheaper to go by car, even if they're just one person going in a car, than going by train. And so I don't know about this initiative. It's like, yeah, forests, sure, but like, you sure you want more of that? I don't know. It's like when they say they don't want those things, the wind turbines, it's like, yeah, who wants them? They're ugly. They're not like Dutch windmills, right? They're ugly. But what's the alternative? It's not like either that or nothing. It's either that or coal, nuclear, I don't know, gas, something else. Or you get like a bunch of treadmills and you do it yourselves. How about that? If you don't like that, whatever. And I have to do some walking. No more renting from me. The forest path kind of rocks. You gotta be honest, it's difficult to walk because there's not much in terms of a way here. It looks like this, but it's awesome. Not too hot. Well, you can still hear the highway back there. Thank God it's not train tracks. But apart from that, it's quiet. There's some birds in the trees. Let's go further. Let's get away from the fucking highway. So down here in the forest, close to the highway, which is over there, there's the ruins of what used to be a jet factory. Nazi Germany, at the end of the war, when their factories were getting bombed, they decided to build their factories in the forest. I don't know if you remember, but we saw a bunker factory concentration camp complex east of Munich like a month ago, 6 weeks ago, and this is kind of similar. There was also a concentration camp back there, and here they built the first jet engine airplane in the world, if I'm not mistaken, the Messerschmitt. I don't know what this structure here was, but all of this was the factory grounds. All of this is in ruins now. There's only the foundations that you can look at. It's still kind of spooky. And yeah, me and Boosie walking around here in the forest. There's mosquitoes. We can hear the highway. There's the ruins. And when you look up, It looks like nothing ever happened. Nice with a bicycle path here. Oh, I think it leads under the road. Okay. And I need to find a place to sleep now. Well, we'll see. We'll find something. Someplace. I think it's best to ask at a farm. That way I can pitch my tent. Otherwise, it's a bivouac sack. Oh man, I'm tired. I'm gonna try and ask at a farm up there. Found it on the map. It says they got llamas. I like llamas. So, I don't know, it's a bit late, but I will ring the bell and say, hey, drama llama, can I sleep here? So I kind of fucked up. I wasn't expecting these people to go to bed so early. Like none of the farms. No light in the windows. It's like 9:30. Okay. There's a little animal. You can see the eyes. I rang the bell of one farm where there was still light and they didn't open, and I didn't press it. It's mean. So here we go. Can't sleep here. It's a field. This is also a field.